So we've got the 68 Pontiac Firebird here. It's yours. So you can tell us, what are you running? It's a 383. I can see that under there.
It's a 383,
Yeah.
turbo 350 with a stage 2 shift kit.
Yep.
I've got the injection sniper kit on it, which is great.
Nice.
She was a 6-year build from scratch, full metal rebuild, rotisserie job.
Recently, or how long's it been on the road?
She's been on the road now for about 6 years.
6 years.
She's won about 20-something awards now.
Nice.
This one, yeah.
And why a Firebird? What made you go there?
I built the Firebird because my dad had a Parisian, a 68 Parisian, the big car.
Yeah.
And
They are a big car.
Yeah, and I didn't want a big car.
Yeah.
So I built the smaller car, which is a similar type car.
The same but smaller.
In his tribute to him.
Yeah. And what did these come out with factory? Was it a 383 or have you upgraded
they're
it to
coming
that?
out with a Pontiac 350, which is a wide block motor.
Yeah, I was going to say, I wouldn't have thought of 383,
Yeah, so in Australia, parts are a bit hard to come with that, for that motor.
Yeah, I'd be tipping that they would be for that.
So I went to small block Chev. I think they're a tougher motor anyway.
Bang for buck too. They're stout little engines. So
and the beauty of it, it's like Camaro body.
Yep.
So everything fits.
Yeah.
So
nice.
that was it.
Good job. What was your name?
Spiro.
Spiro. Thanks for chatting to us.
No worries. Thanks very much.